welcome back to Cooking with Haiti. Today we are making a special tea called Thé Demoiselle. It is a tea for menstrual cramps. In the good old days in Haiti, neighbors and family members, just about anyone, used to make that tea for young women whenever it is that time of the month. In order to make that tea, you will need cinnamon sticks, peppercorns, ginger, honey, lime or lemon, and a little bit of salt to taste. You need about 2 cups of water, a quarter cup of grated or crushed ginger, 2 tablespoons of peppercorn, and about 5 cinnamon sticks. You add the cinnamon sticks, the ginger, the peppercorns to a pot and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's reduced to 1 cup. Once the tea is ready, all you have to do is just strain it and add a little bit of salt, the honey, and squeeze the lime or the lemon juice in it. The good thing about this tea, you don't have to be sick to drink it. Well, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share this recipe with your family members and friends, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful new year. Bye bye now.